Induction has become more popular over time for its quick response and low simmer. There's a host of reasons to buy an induction cooktop. Of course, every brand manufactures an induction cooktop, so they all look the same. So which induction cooktop do you consider? In this video, you'll learn how induction works, its many benefits, especially if you live in Massachusetts, and the 5 best induction cooktops to consider from Beko, KitchenAid, JennAir, Thermador, and Bosch Benchmark. Then we'll also cover a few problems with induction that you should know before you buy, as well as reliability for every brand. In the end, we'll share a link to our free induction cooking buying guide to help you choose the best cooktop for your home. Induction is a magnetic heat. The magnets of the burner excite the metal molecules in your pan. The pan cooks the food bypassing the glass. This is in stark contrast to an electric cooktop where elements heat up the glass and the glass heats up the pan cooking your food. Induction is by far the fastest heat and offers the lowest possible simmer. Gas, you remember, will extinguish itself at low temperatures. Because the glass does not heat up, it's also the easiest to clean because food doesn't bake on like it does in an electric or gas cooktop. Induction is also the most child safe as well because the magnets in induction can only be activated with metal and can't be actually turned on. As we said, the surface doesn't heat up like an electric or gas burner, so there's less chance of scalding as well. If you live in Massachusetts, induction will comply with makeup laws and can be vented at 400 CFM, unlike a pro-gas range. If you want more information on venting, please download our free venting buying guide that's listed in the description below. Most glass are still made by the Schatz Rand Company. They're the main glass supplier for electric and induction cooking surfaces. They're all easy to clean because they're all the same glass type, just with different patterns. Every cooktop chosen has a bridge connecting 2 elements to fit an oblong dish or pan. The max wattage on any induction burner is 3,700 watts. Thermador is a bit different with their Freedom cooktop. The only problem with induction is total output if you plan on cooking all 4 burners. Induction cooktops have a boost feature for max power. This output will be siphoned from other burners, something to remember if you're using all 4. The BSH companies such as Bosch, Gaggenau, Bosch Benchmark, and Thermador use Power Boost. Power Boost will take all the power from the adjacent burner, leaving that burner with no power at all. The other brands use Power Share for 70% of the power from the adjacent burner, leaving 30% to do some low temperature simmering. Beko's induction cooktop sells for only $16.49. Every burner in the Beko is 3,700 watts capability, making it the most powerful in this list along with JennAir. KitchenAid's induction is $1,709. This cooktop has 12 cooking levels, so the temperature is more precise according to KitchenAid's own advertising. Yet induction is by its very nature precise. KitchenAid is a somewhat standard induction cooktop with one powerful 3,700 burner that's 11 inches. It also has a bridge element to connect 2 burners, but some very good reliability, as you'll see later. The Bosch Benchmark induction cooktop sells for about $24.99. The Flex induction burner can be split into 3 preset zones, so you only have to move the pan to the new zone to change the temperature. This is great for foods to cook like risotto. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so it can be turned on or off remotely. Their Home Connect app has recipes and different ideas for food preparation. Bosch has some fancy features like Auto Chef, so you can program recipes. Their Auto Size feature automatically sizes the burner to the pan. JennAir's induction cooktop goes for $32.99. It's the best looking of the 5. It can be easily flush installed and also placed over a single wall oven. Its 2 bridge burners allow you to cook anything at the same time, or you can cook 4 different items. Like Beko, each burner is 3,700 watts. Thermador's induction cooktop is the most expensive at $47.99. The Freedom cooktop has 48 different sensors, so you can place the pot or pan anywhere. Thermador has the 3 preset zones like the Bosch Benchmark. It also has Wi-Fi through the reliable Home Connect app. KitchenAid and Bosch are by far the most reliable induction cooktops on this list. KitchenAid didn't have a single service call this year. And Bosch Benchmark has only 5.6% of their cooktops needing service. Thermador is the third most reliable at 17%. Beko is still too new to the market for us to have any statistical reliability on their cooktop. Induction cooktops are reliable as a product group. However, they're not easy to repair, so make absolutely certain your choice can be fixed in your area. There's a reason to buy each unit. Beko has the best power and it's affordable. KitchenAid has decent features, it's reliable, and can be packaged with other KitchenAid appliances. JennAir is pretty and powerful. Thermador and Benchmark have good features with Home Connect as well as reliability as a producer of induction cooktops. Click the link to the end of the video to download our free induction cooking buying guide with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answer frequently asked questions, and our reliability rankings based on our own service team.